Hey San Diego, planning a move soon? You're going to want to watch this. I'm Pete from MoveAdvisor, your go-to for making any home move cheaper, easier and safer. Today I'm breaking down exactly how much it costs to hire professional movers right here in America's finest city. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about local moves within San Diego. Your moving costs can vary based on the size of your home. Here's a quick breakdown. If you're moving a one-bedroom apartment, expect it to cost between $370 and $600. Moving a bit more stuff, like a two-bedroom home, budget around $640 to $1,200. The average family-sized three-bedroom home, you're looking at $1,100 to $2,000. And if you're backing up a large four-bedroom house or bigger, you're looking at costs from $1,800 to over $3,400. Of course, these are average estimates. Actual costs can vary based on factors like the specific neighborhood, distance between locations, and any additional services you might need. Remember, planning ahead and understanding these costs can make your moving experience smoother and more budget friendly. For those of you considering moving from San Diego to another state, here's some costs to help you budget. Say you're moving 1,000 miles from San Diego. Well, moving a one-bedroom home is going to cost anywhere from $4,500 to $6,500. A two-bedroom home move will range between $3,250 to $7,050, whilst a three-bedroom home comes in $4,650 to $7,700. For a large four-bedroom home, budget $5,200 to $8,550. Now let's look at a 2,000-mile interstate move from San Diego. Moving a one-bedroom home is going to cost anywhere from $2,850 to $5,900. A 2 to 3 bedroom will range between $6,500 and $9,000, whilst a 4-bedroom home budget between $9,000 to $11,000. Again, these are just averages. So to cut out the guesswork, here's what you do. Give us a call at 1-800-989-8833 or go straight to MoveAdvisor.com/quote to get up to 4 quotes from reliable pre-screened local movers. Our movers will even do a visual estimate so you'll know exactly what you're paying for. No surprises. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more moving tips, and share your moving experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to visit MoveAdvisor.com/San Diego for more information and great tips about moving within San Diego. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy moving. Bye.